Hello. Hi. Hi. I am Sanyoung Kim, and what I'm making is an air quality monitor. There are a number of different types of FreeBank products in the market, but it's quite expensive in general. So I am going to make very cheap and also very deployable, easy to deploy air quality monitor. This tiny one is a VOC sensor I'm going to use for this monitor. The model name is TG2620, made by Figaro. This senses VOC level in air. Okay, so let me make it. It's very simple. It's extremely simple. So I'm gonna use one of this sensor and a few jumping wires and breadboard and Arduino board. Okay, so let me put. I already put some wires from one of the breadboard hole to either power or ground. So this sensor has four legs, and one leg, which is number one, goes to the ground, and number three and four goes to the power. And I have another one leg left, which is number two. This is a little bit important. It's important than other three legs. So let me switch from this breadboard to already made breadboard. Okay, so this is the same sensor. And number three and four legs are connected to power. And I put one resistor between number one and power to adjust to give right amount of current in a heater inside the sensor. And also I put one wire from the number one leg to the ground, and number two, it is important as I told you, but it's still very simple. So I put one wire from number two to Arduino board, analog pin number 0 to give the sensor data to this microcontroller, and also I put another wire from number two to potentiometer. This one is potentiometer. You can use this fixed resistor as well, but I use the potentiometer. This one changes the amount of current to go inside the heater, inside the sensor as well. Okay, and so this part is done. Extremely simple. And also I put one digital LED right next to the sensor to visualize data, because without this, even though this is working now, we have no idea, so we need some kind of display to show the data, not only as not as the exact number, but to give some kind of sense. So now it's like from one, the only one. Now it's two. It's a little bit fluctuating, a little bit changes. So now it's one and two. So it shows it is okay. My air color inside my room is okay. So let me show my laptop. This is Arduino program, and if I run this is now compiling. So I'm not sure you can see, but this gives a number. So this is the number data this sensor send this microcontroller to my laptop. So yeah. Okay, so let me show you how the number, how this the light changes when I change the air color in my room. Okay, sorry. Okay, here you are. So what I'm going to do is to burn something in my room and to see. Okay, so I started to burn. Now you can see the full light, all the lights are on because of this chemicals in my room.